jersey 151. All right, guys, get those guesses in for the player on the auto in this one. We should have one auto per box. 8 cards per pack, 9 packs per box. Short prints and parallels possible in here as well. Here we go. Good luck. We pulled quite a few 101s out of Copps Black and White. We have the Darryl Strawberry box a while back. There's Julio Rodriguez, Aaron Judge, William Contreras, Jordan Westberg, our first numbered parallel. That's Nick Gonzalez out of 10. 9 out of 10. Starting off with some low numbered parallels. Ellie Dela Cruz on the shutter speed. Or rookie resolution, sorry. Will Smith, Alec Boehm. Pack. Marco Luciano, rookie. Mike Schmidt, Andy Pages, Mike Trout, Christopher Morel for Tampa out of 48, 49, 12 out of 49. Frame rate of Wyatt Langford, Onel Cruz, Albert Pujols. Next pack. Get those guesses in for the player on the auto in this box for 20 credit. Jackson Merle, Eric Davis, Mason Wynn on the rookie resolution, Tariq Skubal on the shutter speed, Weiler Abreu, Ozzie Smith, Andrew Jones, Bryce Harper. Next pack. David Justice, Clayton Kershaw, Lee on the rookie resolution. Frame rate, Bernie Williams, Chris Sale, Zach Geloff, Pete Alonso, and Shota Imanaga. Next pack. Francisco Lindor. I guess after this I should look for the short prints. Bobby Witt Jr. In case we miss any. Nick Gonzalez, Jose Ramirez, Juan Soto, our next numbered parallel out of 75. 1 out of 75, Juan Soto. Jim Palmer, Jose Canseco, and Jordan Lawler. Fintos, Mason Wynn, Kyle Tucker, next numbered parallel. That is a rookie resolution numbered to 25, 21 out of 25, Colton Cowser, Nolan Ryan, Anthony Volpe, Ken Griffey Jr., Emerson Hancock, rookie. We got 3 packs left. We should have an auto. Jose Altuve, Shohei Ohtani, Carlos Correa. How about an Adley Rutschman out of 99, 37 out of 99 on the Adley. Jose Ramirez on the shutter speed. Cal Ripken Jr. Rafael Devers Jr. Caminero. Couple packs. One of these packs should have our auto in it. There's a rookie Ellie Dela Cruz. Adley. Larry Walker. Austin Wells. Rookie Resolution. Darryl Strawberry. Gavin Stone. Wyatt Langford. Spencer Strider. And our final pack of the break. Again, up next after this is our 22 Topps Chrome Sapphire. It's a 2 hobby box break. There's Trey Turner, Ichiro, Nick Lofton, and our auto. Nice. That is going to be Andrew Jones for the Braves. That is going to be numbered out of 99, 95 out of 99. Andrew Jones auto for the Braves spot. Hit for the Braves to our final pack there. Stephen Kwan on the shutter speed. Royce Lewis, Tariq Skubal, and Jung-Hoo Lee. Let's top load. And I'm just going to go through, see if any of these say short print on the back, and then we'll do our recap. Okay, guys, the 22 Topps Chrome Sapphire 2 hobby box break PYT 142 is coming up next. We did have some spots available in tonight's break, so if you guys want to grab any of those, use the link pinned in the chat, plus the future break schedule. If you are not already bookmarked that page, please do so. That way you guys can keep up on the breaks we schedule. I'll be getting Monday's schedule posted up there soon. So real quick, I'm going to go through, see if we have, pretty sure, I know in the 23 it showed if it's a short print or not. Like by the numbers. I can't remember on the 24s when we found short prints what they said, but it doesn't look like there's any there. Go through our hits here. We have the Nick Gonzalez 9 out of 10. The Pirates out of 49. That's Christopher Morel for the Rays. Out of 75, Juan Soto for the Yankees. Colton Cowser on the rookie resolution out of 25. 21 out of 25 going to the Orioles. Out of 99, that is Adley Rutschman, 37 out of 99 for the Orioles. And our auto, Andrew Jones, out of 99 for the Braves. 95 out of 99. That's it for the Braves. That'll do it for this one. Let's get our title updated. Grab the rest of the spots in tonight's breaks, guys. Let's get those filled.